Wonder how it would fare if you turn it upside down. Let's just have a look. Meh, feels good. Hey guys, how's it going? Dan here from HempTech, and as you know, I've got a Nintendo Switch and I absolutely love it. But it's not always about me. Sometimes it's nice to share the love. And if you want to take your Switch around places, it's great. But if you want to take the whole thing, you want to connect it to a mate's TV or a projector at school or something, how are you going to get it about? That's where this product comes in. Now, from what I can make of it, this is the official carry case for the whole thing. As you can see, it's called the Game Traveler Deluxe System Case. I'm going to open it up for you guys today, check it out, see if it's worth the £30 price tag. So, let's get her open. There's the case. Looks like it's made of really nice materials, which you can see there. Let's open it up. See what we get inside. Brill. So, 2 of these little beauties, and inside those you also get a case for your micro SDs, which is a nice touch. Oh, so you've got 2 of those and 2 of them. You have a bag, which I'm guessing is for cables, that will sit here, and that's it. Really sturdy inside. Let's get the Switch in it, see what it looks like. So the Switch goes in here like so. Nice and snug. And now the dock. And there's also room for a controller as well, which goes in like that. That is so snug, that is gorgeous. Now I'm not going to get the cables out because you don't really need to see that, but the cables will go in there, they'll sit in the side here. You've also got a little bit here as well for some more cables and stuff. So, really like the look of that. Let's get it closed over. Wonder how it would fare if you turn it upside down. Let's just have a look. Meh, feels good. Open it back up, see if it's okay. You cannot go wrong with that. What a delightfully neat package. Gotta say, feels really good, really sturdy. There's versions of this on Amazon for about £12–13. I could have went for one of those, but I like to keep it official. I'm a bit of a snob when it comes to that sort of stuff, and it looks really, really nice. Obviously I can't give you a long-term review of it because I've just got it, but so far so good. It seems great, everything fits nicely. So guys, it was just a quick video to show you the product. Hope you like it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!